According to the World Energy Outlook Report 2020, our world is going to be emission free by 2050. According to the global data, global battery energy storage market is going to touch $11.4 billion mark in 2025. Institute for Energy Economics and Financial Analysis says India's battery storage market is a sleeping giant. According to the Invest India report, India has the renewable energy producing capacity of more than 1000 plus gigawatt. According to the renewable energy installation capacity, India holds the 5th position in the world. It holds the 4th position in the wind power and 5th position in the solar energy installation capacity in the world. According to the IBEF, the power demand of India will reach at 690 gigawatts by 2035-36.
These data are quite sufficient to tell us what would be our next future. The mega trend that is going to take place in the world can change the life of each and every person in the world. And this mega trend is going to make many millionaires and billionaires that we have ever thought and we have ever got in the history of the mankind. This mega trend is a life-changing, lifetime opportunity. Hi, I am Orko Chatterjee, founder of this channel and neverendingwealthcommunity.com, as well as the writer of the book, The Secrets of Never Ending Wealth. For my 10 years of banking experience, I will be revealing you some secrets of making money, some investment tricks that can make you more money, and some mega trends that are likely to take place in the near future and how you can get the maximum benefit out of it and become financially free much faster than you have ever thought. But before that, let me be very clear that this channel has only been made for educational purposes. This is not a financial advising channel, and we don't provide any financial advisory to anyone. You should consult with your financial advisor before taking any financial decision. And if you don't have any financial advisor, then you should use your own research before making any kinds of investments.
So without wasting any time, let's begin. I have promised you in this video to provide the name of the company that is going to be the next Tesla. I am comparing this Indian company with Tesla because its work and future plans, according to me, it's quite similar like Tesla. But before that, let's understand what is Tesla and what do they do. I don't know what other people think about Tesla, but for me, Tesla is an artificial intelligence based energy tech giant. And because of this extraordinary capacity, it has delivered more than 946% return to its investors. Most of the people believe that it is just an electric car making company that produces Model S, Model Y, Model 3 or Model X. But most of the people has no idea that Tesla not only want to stay in the electric car business, but they want to capture the entire renewable energy market and modern day transportation business. If you see their websites, you will find that except the cars, there are lots of revolutionary products that they are working on. Like they have a product namely Powerwall that preserves the energy of any domestic house so that the energy can be reused by the house whenever any emergency situation occurs. They have another product namely Powerpack that also preserves the energy for commercial purposes. They produce solar roofs, solar panels, charging stations and all the charging equipments. Not only that, Tesla has introduced the world with megapacks and gigafactories that can produce the renewable energy and can preserve it and lighten the entire city if needed. And according to the report of Bloomberg Green, Tesla is plugging a secret mega battery in Texas grid, and Elon Musk is getting into the Texas power market. And according to the gigascale project of Tesla, Tesla claimed that their 1 gigawatt hour project can power the entire San Francisco for 6 hours. And when all the market experts try to predict the performance of Tesla, they do not consider the battery storage business of Tesla that gone up by 83% from 2019, and still it is growing up every day.
But wait, this is not the end. The actual revolution is likely to come next.
And this revolutionary product is the ride sharing app of Tesla. Through this app, your car will make money for you whenever it will be not used by you. That means in the morning when you will reach to your office, your car will not sit idly, and you don't have to pay any parking fees for that. Rather, your car will start earning money for you, because through this app, your private car that is non-productive asset for you will now become a productive asset and will be converted into share taxis. And in the evening, when you will be needing your car to again reach to your home, your car will be easily available to you. And the entire process will be done without involvement of any human drivers. Because with the help of advanced artificial intelligence technology, all the Tesla cars will be fully autonomous and will be connected with each others and will be sharing valuable informations with each others. These cars will be so smart that they will be able to identify any moving as well as the standing objects near to it, even if it is human, signals, cars, trucks, sharp turns, crossings, everything. And as the cars will be autonomous and will not be requiring any human drivers, and the cars will be electrically charged, the maintenance charge and the fuel charge will be much lesser than any other present days cars. And these cars will be connected with each others and will be sharing their roadside informations so that their autonomous driving skills can be improved. And this giant autonomous car network will be connected with a central data center that will be directing the cars and run the entire autonomous operation. And through this process, all the Tesla car owners will be making profit by using this giant Tesla network. As all the Tesla cars will be electrically fueled, its fuel efficiency will be 30% cheaper than any traditional present days cars. And for that reason, billionaire businessman and the founder of the Tesla, Elon Musk, believes that $50 billion car sale will bring additional $50 billion through this process. And the total car usage will be increased from 12 hours a week to 60 hours a week. And because of which Tesla will be able to charge more money to their customers for using their network and their robotics. And because of which Tesla will be $1 trillion company in future.
Now it is the time to disclose the name of the company that is going to be the next Tesla of India. But before that, I want you people to guess the name of the company that is going to be the next Tesla of India. For that reason, I will be giving you 3 hints.
Hints number 1. This Indian company has acquired many startups who are in the field of AI, IoT, blockchain, AR, VR and MR. Hints number 2. This company has already brought down its gross and net debt from 3.36 lakh crore to 1.61 lakh crore at the end of FY 2020. Hints number 3. The aim of the company is to become the net zero carbon company by 2035. The name of the Indian company that is going to be the next Tesla I will be revealing in my next video, because I want to make this video bit interactive and I want to know your comments and your guess regarding this company.